Hi, I'm Bree Downs. I teach auto body collision repair here at Seward County Community College. Our class is 3 semesters. We learn paint and refinishing first, then non-structural repair, which is any type of repair on anything that comes off the vehicle. So fenders, hoods, anything that can be removed. Then last you do a structural repair, which is anything that can't come off the vehicle. So your frames, your A and B pillars, anything like that that stays on the vehicle, you learn that. We do iCar online, which is, iCar is a nationally known credential. It looks very good in body shops or insurance agencies. Anything that has to do with body work, they would know what iCar is. When you leave our program, you could do anything in a body shop, painting, body work, even prep work, or you could work at an insurance agency, insurance adjuster, anything that you want to do, happen to do with body work, you would be able to do it. Again, I'm Bree Downs. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me.